Hello everyone, this is Happy from odishatv.in, bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. ASI technical team to visit Puri for Jagmohan repair. Police recover huge cache of arms from Gandhamardhan hills. Odisha ratifies GST bill. And Bollywood actor Meena Ketan critical, diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. Now, the details. In a major move, a team of high-level technical experts of the Archaeological Survey of India will visit Puri on May 23rd to inspect repair work of roof of Jagannath's Temple Prayer Hall or Jagmohan, it is said, after approving a proposal in regard of the same today. Once the experts, the team completes the work for design and estimate the work of the Jagmohan roof repair will be undertaken after the plans are approved, ASI sources said. Due to appearance of severe cracks on the 4 central stone columns and 8 other stone beams, installation of stainless steel portal frame for supporting the stone beams is underway. As many as 36 fabricated stainless steel beams of various shapes and sizes will be placed at the top of the 16 pillars to complete the support system. A mini truck driver allegedly transporting beef from Cuttack to Bhubaneswar was detained near Rasulgarh Square on NH16 here on Saturday. The incident came to light early in the morning after a few locals intercepted the truck responsible for a series of accidents on the national highway. On inspection, locals found that the vehicle was laden with meat and suspecting it to be beef. They informed police about the incident. Police have detained the driver, who is being further interrogated in the connection with the incident, and meat samples are being sent for laboratory examination. A huge haul of explosives, including hand grenades and tiffin bombs, were recovered in a combing operation near Gandhamardhan Hill in Baragarh district on Friday. Acting on a tip-off, a joint team of DVF and CRPF led by SP B. Jugal Kishore raided the hideout area and recovered the huge cache of arms and ammunitions. The recoveries included hand grenade, tiffin bomb, 8 kg gunpowder, arrows, LED lights, Maoist literature and uniforms. In a tragic incident, at least 35 houses and other valuables were gutted in a fire that broke out in the Bengali Basti near Nirgundi tollgate in Manguli last night. Residents of the locality affected by the mishap had to spend the night under the open sky as no immediate help was provided by the local administration. The fire is suspected to have spread from a kerosene lamp, which subsequently engulfed the entire locality within few minutes. On receiving information, 5 fire brigade units of Cuttack and Chaudhwa rushed to the spot, doused the fire and brought the situation under control. Meanwhile, locals alleged that the damage could have been reduced had the fire teams reached the spot on time. While on one hand Odisha has been encountering many man-animal conflicts day in and day out, especially in forest-abundant districts, on the other hand we see really instances of beautiful cooperation and harmony between humans and animals. Such a stark contradiction can be seen from today's incidents. In the first instance, an elephant calf which had fallen into a pit near Kalmi in Rengali division was rescued by forest staff after hours of hard labor earlier this morning. The petrified calf, which was unable to climb out of the trench, was assisted by a JCB, but rather the terrified pachyderm hurriedly made itself out with hell of an effort. In the second instance, a herd of wild elephants have reportedly demolished properties, houses, after straying into Kamarkhalia village in the periphery of Tinikonia Forest Reserve at Niligiri of Baleswar district late last night. According to the sources, the herd comprising of 3 elephants went on a rampage and destroyed the house of one Banamali Singh. The pachyderms also caused massive damage to the agricultural produce kept in the house. Panicked, the family members of Banamali were forced to vacate the house and ran for their lives. The Odisha Goods and Service Tax Bill 2017 was passed in a special session of the State Select Committee for further deliberation. The Assembly also passed the Odisha Value Added Tax Bill 2017, allowing the state to impose VAT on 6 items, 5 petroleum products and liquor. Initiating a discussion on the bill, Finance Minister Sasi Bhushan Behera said the GST will unify at least 17 central and state taxes together and bring improvement in the tax reforms. He said products manufactured in the states as well as in the country could compete with the products in the international market. Participating in the debate, leader of the opposition, Narasimha Mishra, suggested sending the bill to the Select Committee for wider scrutiny. Bharatiya Janata Party Legislature Party leader KV Singh Dio meanwhile complimented the state government for bringing the GST bill for passage in time to meet the goal of GST's nationwide implementation from July 1. Several states including Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Goa, Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh have already passed the state GST bills. Noted Bollywood actor Meenaketan Das is in critical condition and is undergoing treatment at Mumbai-based Asian Institute of Cancer after diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. Sources said the actor was initially admitted to a private hospital in Bhubaneswar after he complained of body pain. Subsequently, ultrasound and endoscopy revealed excess sodium erosion from his body, and later on, the malignancy was spotted. Meenaketan is known for playing negative characters and has given powerful performance in the movie like Balunga Tukka, Jiyanta Bhuta, and Most Wanted. Apart from the Odia film fraternity, people from all walks of life are praying for his quick recovery. Before wrapping up, the news headlines once again. ASI technical team to visit Puri for Jagmohan repair. Police recover huge cache of arms from Gandhamardhan Hills. Odisha ratifies GST bill. Bollywood actor Meenaketan critical, diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.